Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is going to be another DIY video because I'm literally so bored. Yeah, quick disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never cropped my own clothing before. I've never cut my own clothing before. And yeah, so don't know if this is gonna work out, but it might be my new hobby, so stay tuned. And hopefully this works out, so I have all these clothes that are not so cute, so I want to make them cuter, so I'm gonna crop them. So this is the first hoodie that I'm going to crop. So it's just a weird length, so I'm gonna crop it right at the top of the pocket. Alright, so what you'll need is a hoodie and scissors, so I don't know where to start, just kidding. So I saw somewhere that like where the pocket is like a good like crop length. So I'm honestly just gonna try to cut straight. I'm so scared, I don't know what I'm doing. Should I like draw a line first? Maybe I should draw a line first. Or should I just free it? I don't know. It out first, I guess. I don't know. Okay, also I'm left-handed and I've never in my entire life owned a pair of left-handed scissors, so this is very painful for me. Yeah, it really hurts, so. Alright, this is what happened. I'm just gonna, I kind of fucked up a little bit right here, so I'm just gonna cut this a bit. Honestly, it's not that bad, but I don't know what it's gonna look like on, so let's try it. Okay, it's actually so cute. It's like the perfect like crop length, and it's so much cuter now. So the next hoodie I'm gonna crop is just this purple one. I'm going to crop it at the same length, so just at the top of the pocket. Cute too. It's like a little bit longer in like the back. I don't really know why that happens, but it's like, it's cute. I like it. So this shirt, I got it from H&M. It says this on the back, so I don't really want to cut this out, so I'm gonna try to crop it like right underneath. And there's a stain right here that literally hasn't come out, and it's really annoying. So I wanted to make this one a crop top, so I am going to fold it. That, and I folded it like right. This is gonna be really short. Why did this stand have to be up there? Okay, this is gonna be really short, but I'll just wear something underneath of it. Okay, so that's fine. So I'm just folding it here, and I'm just gonna cut straight across. I'm gonna turn the shirt towards me so I can cut like this. Like this. I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer. And let's go, let's not fuck it up. Fuck, okay, I'm scared. Going. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I actually do really like the length, but yeah, I think that it looks like vintage almost, like with like kind of the raggedy cut, even though I kind of fucked it up a little bit. But I don't know, it's cute. So here's this shirt. I'm gonna cut this one a little bit longer, so I'm gonna flatten this one out, and I'm gonna cut this one a little bit differently because the last time I kind of fucked up and I'm kind of scared. So I'm gonna line this up, just flatten it out. Also, it's a little wrinkly, I know, but oh well. So I marked, it's like kind of just at the belly button, that's kind of where I want it, so I'm gonna cut it there. Okay, I'm gonna fix it up a little bit. Obviously, when you like cut a shirt yourself, it's not supposed to be perfect, which this definitely is far from perfect. How it cut. Alright, so this one cut a little bit raggedy, but it's fine. I actually like it. It's kind of cool. I don't know. Okay, so this shirt is cute, but I just wish that it was like a little bit shorter, so like here-ish. So I'm going to cut this one as well. Alright. So I'm gonna face it towards me again, but I think this is so cute. It's starting to get like hot out, so I can wear it with like high-waisted jeans or like high-waisted shorts or a skirt. So cute. Yeah. Got wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below which one you liked the best and which one you would wear. I know this isn't the best DIY. I know this isn't the best DIY you've ever seen on YouTube. Trust me, I didn't even know what I was doing. But I think that they turned out pretty good. And don't forget to subscribe. My social medias will be on the screen or down below as usual. Follow me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.